Andy Johnson, Minnesota State University. We are looking at approaches to reading instruction. We are going to look at 4, but this is just a video on 1, the BASIL approach, or a skills-based approach to reading instruction. And the goal is to figure out the alphabetic code. It's a code first, meaning later, meaning that you figure out how to do this code, put letters to sounds and create words, and then we'll focus on meaning or creating meaning later. It is BASIL instruction is based on learning some reading sub-skills. These are all sub-skills related to word identification. It's not reading, it is a reading sub-skill. And it's based on behaviorism, stimulus response. You see a stimulus, that's the letter. You respond with the correct sound. You are barking at print. Woof, woof, woof. You eventually learn how to read. The primary emphasis is on explicit phonics instruction. And I believe that phonics instruction is necessary but far from sufficient in teaching children how to create meaning with print. Reading is not sounding out words. It's using print to create meaning, and we use 3 cueing systems, not just the phonologic cueing system, but semantics and syntax as well. My criticism of the BASIL or skills-based approach is they only focus on 1 cueing system, the phonological, which is the least efficient. There is a scope and sequence of skills. The theory behind this says that if we teach these skills in this order, no matter who the child is, no matter what their ability level, everyone jumps on the conveyor belt, they run through the line. At the end, they'll all be efficient readers. Well, this is absolute nonsense, of course. So good teachers can make a BASIL work. However, good teachers don't need to use a BASIL. There are much more efficient and effective ways to teach reading, and especially for students with reading difficulties or in teaching in a multi-level classroom.